Hey, I'm Sarah. I'm here with my son, and we were just sent this really cool STEM project kit. It's got all sorts of different ways to be able to use your imagination and STEM, so you're learning to connect all these different circuits together. You get all these different cords, as well as your power supply. You've got different kind of ways to turn on the actual thing, whether it's a toggle switch, you've got a knob where you can control like how fast, how slow it goes on, or you've got this other one, just a push button. So, got these four little panels here. If you want to connect them together, they give you these little connections that you can easily connect them together and make one solid panel. You don't want to, no big deal. But you've got a lot of different choices here to watch how all of this works. There's actually 43 different pieces, and you can use them for so many things. All you've got to do is connect them together. You've got your positive side, you connect into your other positive sides, and your negative sides, you connect into your negative sides. Then you have your toggle switch, you can connect them all in. So let's go ahead and use your toggle switch here. You've got a nice little thing here, or if you want to switch that out, you can actually get rid of your tower. Oh, cute little castle. So that's really cool how you can do that one. We're going to do my son's favorite here, which is this little guy. So this one really surprised me. He was a lot of fun. So we're going to plug this one in. Whoa, we weren't ready. We have the switch on. Let's do it again. All right, so we just simply put this on here. Yep, hold on, let's get it pushed down. Okay, and then whenever we turn it on, it actually produces this really fun little flying saucer. So it's got so much fun things, and you can actually set them up to do multiple things. So you can have it run through and do this one, then add another switch on. We've got a little bubble machine, which will show you the little bubbles here real quick. And I mean, this thing has got so much cool stuff that we've been playing around with, and I am impressed with just how much this thing has to offer and how fun it is. So we're gonna add in our bubble machine, get that set down. Do you turn on your toggle? Okay, turn on your switch. And now we've got a little bubble machine. We did have to add our own bubbles in, but I mean, how cool is that? There's just so many different options, whether you're using this as a kind of a Beyblade sort of option thing here, that you can use here. You've got a little humidifier that you can put water in here, humidify the room. But all of this is all set up so well to entertain a kid for hours. And they're learning. You've got double circuits to where you can connect two things into one. I mean, just endless possibilities. You've got your book here that tells everything about it. But this is really great. My son has had a lot of fun just watching all this and learning. And he is blown away with how much you can do with such a small set. And he's learning. So this is a great little set to give to any little kid or use it at school.